Hi, let's solve for x. Welcome to my channel. We have 4 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x is equal to, now when you have a to the power of m plus n, okay, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So that simply means that we can express this as 10 to the power of x multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. Now let's divide through by 10 to the power of x. So if we do that, we have 4 to the power of x divided by 10 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x divided by 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x multiplied by 1 divided by 10 to the power of x. Now when you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of the same m, this is equal to a to the power of a over b raised to the power of m. All right, so that simply means that we can rewrite this as 4 divided by 10 raised to the power of x plus 25 divided by 10 raised to the power of x plus, now this we divide this, okay, so this is equal to 10 because 10 to the power of 1 will still give us 10, right? Okay, now what do they have in common? Their common factor is 2, because we can write 4 as 2 multiplied by 2 and 10 as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x, right? Plus, now 25 can be written as 5 multiplied by 5 and 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 10. Now 2 we cancel 2 here and 5 we cancel 5 here. So we have, what we have inside the bracket now is what? 2 over 5 to the power of x plus 5 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 10. All right, now we have 2 over 5 and we have 5 over 2. Let's try to see if we can get them to be the same thing so that we can easily solve what we have, okay? So to get this, if I turn this, we have 2 over 5 to the power of x plus, now when you have 1 over x, that is when you take the inverse of x, this is same thing as x to the power of minus 1. That means you need to introduce negative sign to the power of x. Therefore, if I take the inverse of 5 over 2, which is 2 over 5, then I will introduce negative sign to the power. So this is equal to 10. So we have 2 over 5 to the power of x plus, now if I want to remove this negative power, I will just introduce that 1 over again, all right, to remove the negative power, okay, and this is equal to 10. Now we have accomplished our goal. Yes, we have same thing here and same thing here, therefore we can now solve. Yes, so let's simplify. So to simplify, we can say let 2 over 5 to the power of x be equal to y. So if we say let 2 over 5 to the power of x be equal to y, that simply means that we can rewrite what we have here as y, right, plus 1 over y is equal to 10, right? Now let's multiply through by y so that we have a linear equation. We don't want fraction. So we have multiplied by y, we have y squared. When this is multiplied by y, we have y is equal to 10y. Okay, so let's rearrange this since we just formed a quadratic equation. So we have y squared minus 10y plus y is equal to 0. Please, if this is the first time you are seeing this channel, click on the subscription button. Yes, turn on your notification bell as well so that you don't miss our amazing videos. Like, we upload videos at least 2 times every day. Tune in at your convenience and see new videos to watch, okay? And please give us a thumbs up. Please, it's important to us because this tells the algorithm that yes, what you watched is okay, and helps the algorithm to push it to better to more audience, to people that really need it, okay? Thank you so much. Now this is what we have. Remember that we are not solving for y, we need to get the values of our x. So for the fact that we have y here, you shouldn't say, oh, I can now solve the quadratic equation. Yes, you can, but please follow us and see how we are going to get x from y. Now this is what we have. We are going to solve this using quadratic equation formula that states that y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now recall that our a is going to be the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of y, which is minus 10. And our c is the, oh, what's happening? I'm sorry, please. We made a mistake somewhere. The equation was just looking somehow in my eyes and I realized that something is wrong somewhere. Now, when 1 over y is divided by y, we are multiplying through by y, okay? So permit me to clean from here so that I don't confuse you. So we multiply through by y. I made mistake there. So when you multiply this by y, I think I need to do it this way so that I will not make another mistake. Oh God. So y times y will give us y squared. This will cancel this, we have 1 is equal to 10y. Okay, all right. So we can now rearrange to get our quadratic equation. So we have y squared minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. Yeah, I had to bring this in, and when you bring this in, this becomes minus. Okay, all right. Now this is what we have. We will now solve this using the quadratic equation formula. Now the quadratic equations formula states that this y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. All right. Now our a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of y, which is minus 10. Okay, so our b is equal to minus 10. And our c is 1. Okay, all right. Now let's go ahead and solve. Okay, so we substitute into this place. If we do, we have that y is equal to minus b, that is minus minus 10, which will give us plus 10, plus or minus the square root of, now b squared, that is minus 10 squared, which is 100, minus 4ac, that is 4 times 1 times 1, which will still give us 4. Okay, divided by 2a, that is 2 times 1, which is 2. So our y is 10 plus or minus square root of 96 divided by 2. So we have that y is 10 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by what? Square root of 6. Yes, because 16 times 6 will give us 96. So we've not changed anything. Divided by 2. So our y is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. So we have 4 root 6 divided by 2. Okay, I don't know. Let's just write one more line. I just hope you can see this. So 10 divided by 2 will give us 5 plus or minus 4 divided by 2 will give us 2 root 6. Therefore, we have two values of our y. The two values of our y are that y is equal to 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. But recall, I want us to recall where we said let 2 over 5 be equal to y. Where we said let 2 over 5 to the power of x be equal to y. I think I've cleaned that. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to equate this to this, and then we solve to get the value of our x. Okay, so we have 2 over 5 to the power of x is equal to y, which is what? 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. All right, now once you have a variable as power, the only option you have is to introduce your logarithm. That is the only way you can get your x, okay, or y. So we are going to introduce log to both sides of this equation. Okay, so we are introducing log to both sides of this equation. That's exactly what I did. So when you have a log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. So that means that we can rewrite this as what? X multiplied by log 2 over 5 is equal to log 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, now we are going to divide through by log 2 over 5. Yes, to get the value of x. So we are going to divide both sides of the equation by log 2 over 5. So divided by log 2 over 5 divided by log 2 over 5. Now you see that log 2 over 5 will cancel log 2 over 5, leaving us with this option that our x, this is what is remaining, right, is equal to log 5 plus or minus 2 root 6 divided by log 2 over 5. Okay, now I want us to look very well and see what I'm about to do. When you have log A divided by log B, okay, this is equal to log A base B. All right, now that simply means that I can rewrite this solution that x is equal to log 5 plus or minus 2 root 6 base 2 over 5. So I think this is the best solution we can get since we are not with our calculator. Thanks so much for watching. Have you given us a thumbs up yet? Please do that, and bye.